Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to pin an app to the taskbar on Windows 11. The taskbar is a super convenient way to keep your favorite apps just one click away. So, if you're ready, let's dive in. First, let's start with the easiest method, pinning an app directly from the Start menu. Click on the Start button at the bottom of your screen, or press Windows S to open the search bar. Type the name of the app you want to pin, like Calculator. Once you see the app, right-click on it. From the menu that pops up, select Pin to Taskbar. That's it. Your app will now appear on the taskbar for easy access. Now, what if the app is already open, but you want to keep it pinned? No problem. When the app is running, you'll see its icon on the taskbar. Simply right-click the icon and select Pin to Taskbar. This way, the app stays on the taskbar even after you close it. You can also click and hold the left mouse button on the app icon, then drag it to your desired position to arrange them. Next, let's talk about pinning a desktop shortcut. If you have an app shortcut on your desktop, here's what to do. Right-click the shortcut and look for Show More Options, or just press Shift F10. In the expanded menu, select Pin to Taskbar. Boom, it's pinned. This little trick can save you so much time and make your desktop feel more organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an easy tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.